Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about word problems on 3-digit subtraction. See here, page number 40 from your course book. Everybody open. Course book, class 3, volume 1. See here, page number 40, beta. There are 650 passengers in a train. There are 650 passengers in a train. 389 passengers got down from the train at a shop. So, in a train, how many passengers are there? So, in a train, 650 passengers are there. Means 650 passengers boarded the train. అంటే ఆ ట్రైన్లో 650 మంది ప్యాసింజర్స్ ఉన్నారు. See here, 389 passengers got down from the train at a shop. ఒక షాప్ దగ్గర 389 passengers got down means దిగి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. How many passengers still remain in the train? మరి ట్రైన్లో ఇంకా మిగతా ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? See here, in this problem 650 passengers boarded in the train. Out of the 650 passengers, 389 passengers got down at a shop. Out of 650 passengers, 389 passengers got down at a shop. So we need to find the number of remaining passengers in the train. To find the answer, we have to subtract the number of passengers who got down from the total number of passengers in the train. See here, write down here, total number of passengers in the train is equals to 650. Next, number of passengers who got down. ఎంతమంది దిగి వెళ్ళిపోయారు? See here, who got down is equals to 389. So, number of passengers in the train. In the train is equals to 650 minus 389. 389 is subtracted from 650. So, these two numbers are 3-digit numbers. So, you can write 650 next 389. See here, the given numbers write in column wise. Okay, so this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. See here, in first what I have to do? So 9 is subtracted from 0. So first we subtract the digits in ones place. So this is the ones place. So top of the column 0 and bottom of the column 9. 0 minus 9 is possible, beta? Not possible. Possible? Not possible. First subtract the digits in ones place first. So here 0 minus 9 it is not possible, then take borrowing from 5. So 5 can give 10, 10 is added to 0, 10 plus 0, you can get 10. So 5 is borrowing, so it can last one here 4. 10 minus 9, 1. Next, again, we subtract the digits in tens place. 4 minus 8. So 4 is less than 8. How it is possible? Not possible. So again, take borrowing from 6, it can give 10, 10 plus 4. 10 is added to 4, you can get 14. So here it can last one, here 5. 6. Now here 14 minus 8. You can count after 8 up to 14. After 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What we get? 6. So write down 6 in tens place. Next, we subtract the digits in hundreds place, that is 5 minus 3 is possible, 5 minus 3 you can get. So therefore, the number of passengers still remaining in the train is equals to 261. See here, now next subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrowing. See here we have recalculated the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Let us apply the same rule to subtract 4-digit numbers. See here an example. Subtract, look at the blackboard everybody. Subtract 3506 from 8768. Subtract the digits in ones column first, then the digits in tens and hundreds column, like that only. Next, and finally subtract the digits in thousands column. See here. Write the numbers place values wise in columns. Write the numbers place values wise in column. Means you can write, first you can write this is no. You can write top of the column 8768. 8768. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. The fourth one is thousands place. In the 3-digit number, it has only 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. This is the 4-digit number, it has 4 places from right to left side, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So you can write the given problem in column wise. So now next, minus 3506. See here, first we subtract the digits in ones place. 8 minus 6, you can get what beta? 2. Next, 6 minus 0. 0 is subtracted from 6, you can get 6. Next, 7 minus 5, you can get 2. So you can count 5 after 6, 7. So 2. Next, 8 minus 3, you can get 5. You can count 3 after up to 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the difference? 5262. Next, solve the following 4-digit subtractions. Listen carefully. See here. See here. 3659, 2232. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. See here. First we subtract the digits in ones place. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. See how you can do it. So you can count after 2 up to 9. రెండు తర్వాత 9 వరకు కౌంట్ చేయాలి. సో ఆఫ్టర్ 2 మీన్స్ 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద 9. ఓకే, సో హౌ మెనీ యూ గాట్? 7. Next, 5 minus 3. You can count after 3 up to 5. 4, 5, 6. You can get 3. Next, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. See here, 5 minus 3, you can get 2. See here, 6 minus 2. So, subtract the digits in hundreds place. You can count 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4, you can write 4 under hundreds column. Next, that is the last. Subtract the digits in thousands place. 3 minus 2, you can get 1. What is the difference? 1427. Next, 2446, 1015. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. First we subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 5, you can get 1. 4 minus 1, you can get 3. 4 minus 0. 0 is subtracted from 4, you can get 4. Next, 2 minus 1, you can get 1. So what is the difference? 1431. Next, 9678. 4632. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. So this is the column of ones, column of tens, column of hundreds, column of thousands. See here, 8 minus 2. 8 is greater than 2, it is possible. You can count 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many? 6. 6 write down under one column. Next, we subtract the digits in tens place. 7 minus 3, you can count 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can get 4, write down under tens column. Next, 6 minus 6. Any number is subtracted from itself, you can get 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So here, 6 minus 6, you can get 0. Next, 9 minus 4. So you can count 4 after up to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 write down under thousands column. What is the difference? 5046. Next, 4781, 3570. See here, This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. First subtract the digits in ones place. 1 minus 0 1, 8 minus 7 1, 7 minus 5 2, 4 minus 3 1. What is the difference? 1211. Now next subtract 4 digit numbers using abacus. See, this is very important topic. Beta, listen carefully. See here. See here. Listen carefully. Subtraction of 4 digit numbers using abacus. See here. Let us subtract. Listen carefully. The numbers 2341 from 6784 using beads of an abacus. See here, represent the bigger number on the abacus. See here, listen carefully. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So bigger number. See, 4 is in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 7 is in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 6 is in thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down 6784. Next subtract the digits in ones place first. Say once again run. This like only ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down 6784 minus 2341. See here, first we subtract this is. What we get beta? See 4 minus 1, 3. Remove 1 bit. How many bits beta? 3 bits. Next, now subtract the digits in tens place. See here once again write. Here 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. Here 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 7 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 6 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 6,784, 2,341. See what we get better? 4 minus 1 3 already you can get. Next we subtract tens place. See 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 what we get better? 4. Remove 4 beads. Next step, subtract the digits in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 6,784, 2,341. See here. Next, this is means subtract the digits in hundreds place. 7 minus 3 you can get 4. So remove 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 4. Next, subtract the digits in thousands place. Subtract the digits in thousands place. So you can write it here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones place how many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6,784, 2,341. So next we subtract thousands place digits. 6 minus 2 you can get 4. Remove 2 bits. 4,443. 4,000 what is the? There is 2 is in 10,000 place of the second number. So remove 2 bits from the 6 bits in the thousands place. So what we get? 4. What is the difference? 4,443. Subtraction of 4 digit numbers by carrying method. See here, subtract 5869 from 7645. So you can write in the top of the column, you can write 7645 according to their places. So here 7645 minus 5869. First we subtract the digits in ones place. See here in ones place, the top, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. In ones place, top of the digit 5 and bottom of the digit 9. See, top of the digit 5 is less than 9. So how it is possible? Better not possible. So 5 is depending on 4. So 4 is in tens place. So 4 it can give borrow to 5. How much given? So 4 gives borrow to 5, that is 10. So means so this is ones place, this is tens place. From right to left side, ones place to tens place to hundreds place to thousands place. Each time, each and every place increased by 10 times. So this is ones place. So 1 tens place, 1 tens are 10. Hundreds place means increased by 10. 10 tens are 100. Next 100 is increased by 10 times. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. That is the Indian place value chart. So here it can give 10 to 5. 10 is added to 5, you can get 15. So 4 is giving borrow to 5. So it can last here 1. So 110 is given, no? So how much here is there? 3. Now 15 minus 9 is possible because 15 is greater than 9. So here 9 after you can count up to 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What we get better? 6. 6 write down under one's column. Next 3 minus 6. This is also not possible. Next to add the digits in tens place. 3 minus 6. 3 is less than 6. Now 3 is we wanted to take borrow from 6. 6 it can give 10 because 6 is in thousands place. So 10 plus 3, 3. 10 is added to 3, you can get 13. Now 6 here it can last 1 here, 6 minus 1, 5. Now next 13 minus 6, 7. 6 after you can count up to 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 write down under tens column. Next we subtract the digits in hundreds place. So 5 minus 8. This is also not possible. So 5 is less than 8. So take borrowing. So you wanted to give, you wanted to ask borrow from 7. So 7 is give borrow to ready to 5. So 7 give to borrow to 5. That is 10. 10 is added to 5. What we get beta? 15. So here it can last 1. 7 minus 1, 6. Here 15 minus 8. You can count 8 after up to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7. Next 6 minus 5, 1. So what is the difference? 1776. Write down everybody. Next, what are problems on subtraction of 4-digit numbers? See, there are 6,584 seats in the gallery of cricket stadium. Did you understand? So here there are 6,584 seats in the gallery of cricket stadium. 5,470 people are sitting in the gallery. So how many seats are vacant? ఎన్ని సీట్లు ఖాళీగా ఉన్నాయి? See here, what is the capacity of cricket stadium? Number of seats in the cricket stadium 6,584. How many people seated in the gallery? So 5,470 people. So here there are 6,584 seats in a gallery. Only 5,470 seats are occupied by people. Occupied by people means they are sitting. Now next, and the remaining seats are vacant. Vacant means ఖాళీగా ఉన్నాయి. So to know the number of seats are vacant, we need to subtract the number of people from the total number of seats. See here, number of seats. Number of seats 6,584. Number of people 5,470. So what is number of seats are vacant? Is equals to 6,584 minus 5,470. So the given problem, write in column wise. 6,584, 5,470. First we subtract the digits in ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 7, 1. Very simple. Next 5 minus 4, 1. Next 6 minus 5, 1. So therefore number of seats are vacant. There are number of vacant seats. Is equals to 1,140. Next, there were 3,568 birds in a bird sanctuary. 2,689 birds were shifted into a zoo park. How many birds are there in the birds sanctuary now? See here, there were 3,568 birds in the sanctuary. Out of them, only 2,689 birds were shifted into the zoo park. We need to find the number of birds left in the birds sanctuary. To know this, you need to subtract the number of birds shifted from the total number of birds. So you can write here Number of birds in the sanctuary. Three thousand 568. Number of birds shifted to zoo park. Two thousand 689. Number of birds left in the sanctuary. Means number of remaining birds in the sanctuary. Is equals to 3568 minus 2689. See, first we can write 3568. Next we can write bottom of the column 2689. First to subtract the digits in one space, 8 minus 9. So 8 is less than 9, it is not possible. Then take borrowing from 6, 6 is in 10 space, it can give 10, 10 is added to 8, 8 plus 10. 10 plus 8 is 18, so it can last one here 5. See here, 18 minus 9, you can get 9. Next, we subtract the digits in 10 space, 5 minus 8. So 5 is less than 8, it's not possible. Again take borrowing from 5, you can give 10. 10 is added to 5, you can get 15. So 5, give borrow to this means it can last 1. 5 minus 1, 4. See here, 15 minus 8, you can count after 8 to 15, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. Then next 4 minus 6 is also not possible. Take borrowing from 3, 3 is in 1000 space, then it can give string. Borrow to 4. So borrow to 4 means it can give 10. 10 is added to 4, you can get 14. See here, 3 is borrowing to 4 means 3 minus 4. It can give last one here 2. See now 14 minus 6, 8. 6 after you can count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 3, 8 figures. Now next 2 minus 2, 0. Then therefore number of birds left in the sanctuary is equals to 879 birds. Thank you everybody.